Potato is the best
Potato is the best
for everything.
for everything. The best one is this is good, but it's too big. Some I have sweet potato. Okay, I just take lots of potato. Many cars? Yeah. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, and me. You are my operator today.
No, me.
You must
You can introduce yourself. What's your name?
My name is Fredrik.
Yeah. Next.
next.
Yeah, next.
Where you from?
I'm from Molde.
Yeah. Where you living?
I live in the city.
Yeah. How is age?
My age, I'm 19.
90. Today you going to trip
happened
in
today?
Molde.
Trip in Molde and baked potato again.
Like
Baked potato.
you won.
Potato trip.
Yeah, potato trip.
Don't worry.
But it's too much. Coming to trip today. Ow.
Hi, hi.
Nice to know.
So
Look how nice.
yeah.
I hope the place will be not occupied.
What are you talking?
I hope the place will be not occupied of that.
Maybe.
Welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome. Oh.
Så det skal gå til Molde Marka. Her er det som kaller for en liten tur. Og så skal vi bake potet sammen med den jævla folken her. Se det jævla. Så det må forsiktig. Det blir iser på veien. Så det vi får se hvis det blir ikke opptatt. Det er plassene som vi skal bake potet. Men vi har kjøpt så mye potet og olje og cola og julebrus. Så skal vi bare kose hvis det blir fri.
Yeah, very good.
Very good.
You should make YouTube.
You should make a YouTube vlog.
Ja, ja.
YouTube
Maybe.
channel.
Skal vi starte
Ja.
next
Jeg
year?
kan hjelpe deg.
Ja. Kan vi starte neste år? 2021. Som skal bli YouTuber. Men folkene som ser på denne videoen next year, neste år, så må
Jeg tror den her.
den veien. Det samme. Se, det er noe jævla potet. Hva gjør han? Jeg vet ikke.
So we are in Molde. We're going to Molde Marka. Making potato.
This is called Överlandsvattnet.
Yeah, say.
This is called Överlandsvattnet. And in the summer, the water here is really hot. And to take a swim here in the summer, oh,
Can you
It's
can you
lovely.
swim today?
it's nice.
If you swim to it today, I give you 100 kroner.
I give you 1,000.
Give me 5,000 and I'll do it.
5,000?
I give you 1,000. I could swim.
Give me 5,000.
Hi.
I could swim. Elk. Fint, yeah? Nice. We have lots of wood. Free wood. Like a butter.
Yeah, butter today.
Alex, ja.
Making wood, yeah?
Se det kniv.
Kniv. Aha. Make the knife.
Yeah?
I have
Aha. Okay, I have a small
Yeah.
stick now.
No, here.
Okay, we have knife now. I make one.
Jeg lagde på
Ja, ser du. Det er enkelt og greie. Dette og så til.
And
Har du
scissor.
vasket hendene?
Scissor, yeah, sure.
Det var yesterday.
Last year.
Last year, oh yeah.
Oh, we have stick wood.
Ja. Det stikkhodet, hvis det er noen vil ha, velkommen. Jeg skriver bare. Det kommer.
So much potato. Look at that. Potato master. Potato fest. Today's potato festival.
Ja, det var før. Det var før. Før nesten byttet på. Ja, i Oslo så var det sånn jala.
Hva gjør du? Kjør.
Damn!
Kjør din der potet.
Og det er på film.
That was so good. The potato. Yeah, of course.
Ah, it's ready. Yeah, this is ready. Soft one. Ah, nice. Now we can eat. Ah, potato time. Eating time. I have salt here. Salt and butter. Salt and butter. Mmm, that's good. Mmm. Wow. Nice.
Better today.
Butter. Mmm.
Are you vegetarian?
Salt. Butter. That's the best.
Potato. How is potato?
It's very nice.
It's very nice. It's better than last time, yeah?
Salt and butter. Very good.
They
And now,
they like it when you
Sausage.
fight amongst yourself.
how is it?
That was very good.
It's easier to keep in
I like
control
it.
when
Butter, yeah?
Yeah.
people
Very
fight against each other and
Frederick, how is yours?
earn some.
Nice potato?
Yeah,
Better than last time, yeah?
of course.
Yeah, yeah. That potato. It's so good.
Yeah, it's good.
Mm. Spise potato.
The Norwegian don't like potatoes.
I love potato. Mm. And we have sweet potato also.
It's good. What are you eating?
This is sweet potato.
What do you think?
I'm so happy.
Vegetables.
Sweet
Wow.
potato.
This is something.
Det ligner som potetmos.
Nice. Wow. Potato mousse.
Covered all the
I love sweet potato also.
Det blir Ponsa-tur nå. Potetfest ferdig, og så Ponsa-fest kommer.
Good.
It's not hot.
Very hot.
How you can eating?
I'm chef.
Oh my
I
god.
can eat hot.
Oh my god.
potatoes and
Wow. This look potato mousse.
tomatoes. Everything was
Very good.
quite poisonous.
Need salt or something?
No, I don't need salt. I don't need butter. Just plain
Just
sweet
eat.
potato. Mm.
Takes several
Lovely.
years
Oh.
So delicious.
to make it.
They do. That's what they said.
Mm. Hot dog. Close neighbor. It's not. Oh, it's so hot. Haha. It's snowing now. You see? Snowing. How is it?
It's dark.
That.
You level it.
Wow. Sweet potato, sausage. So good. Mm.
So good.
Nice. Marshmallow. And one more.
Har du den beste dimsummen? Den med reker.
It's sweet.
Sweet.
Perfect as a dessert.
Good. good, yeah.
See? Ready?
Yeah, Ferdy, look. Ferdy. Good dessert. You want?
Why not?